have here coconut. Hoppy, come on. And I'm gonna pour this in this bowl. Hoppy, come. Right from the source. Right from the source. Go. Go, Angel. Oh, Hoppy. This is getting heavy. Oh, you like it, Hoppy? You like it? This is so cute. Yep. Huh. It's empty. You like it? You like it? Oh, I think it's empty. Oh wow, it's empty. Is it coconut water? Fresh coconut. Oh, they like it. Oh. Fresh coconut water. Oh. Fresh coconut water. Oh, Angel. Hope you like it? Yeah? I think the coconut is empty. Ow! Yeah, it's empty. Who wants the coconut? No, they like this. Yum, yum, yummy. Yum, yum, yummy. Yeah? Is it yum, yum, yummy? Yummy? Is it yummy? Yum, yum, yum. Here. Here, take the coconut. Yum, yum, yummy. Oh, Hoppy. Yum, yum, yummy. Oh, is it yummy? No, 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 no. Don't spill the bowl. Oh, you guys are done now? That's it? That's it? Fresh coconut water. Mmm. Who wants some more? Yeah. Hey. How about you? You want some more? Yeah. Is it yummy? Yeah. Good boy. Are you forging it now? Oh, you want to get on? Don't take a bath in it. No. No, don't take a bath in it. You fool. Alright, who wants this coconut? Oh, do you want this coconut? Here. Put it right here. You guys can forge this coconut. Oh, he's forging that. This is a new toy that we just got for him to forge. Oh, you want some more? Here. Good. Good, Angel.